might have couple. Yeah, for the we like to have the few community leader city work.
I'm so excited to come here to show the exhibition. I know I have been 12 years. I have come a couple of years. And as always, I come to enjoy it. Especially see my classmate's masterpiece. Who is my classmate? I enjoy see his photography. I enjoy see his wife's masterpiece. Do you have the masterpiece?
Yeah.
Always so excited to come. We also really appreciate all the masterpieces by all the artists. Okay, I say just a few words. I'm very happy and hope everybody just like me enjoy their masterpiece, their achievements. Thank you.
Volunteer, Shirley. Yes, Shirley.
Thank you everybody to be here today. I'm Shirley Chen and I represent the Taiwanese volunteer group. And I've been come to this art show for many years. And today I'm paying another salute to these artists. Yeah, because I think that they are not sharing with their art, but also I think they want to share. For this art, really need a lot of insistence. They insisted to kind of like polish their art. So every year I come here, I think I'm expect to see more of their art to present to us. So I'm very happy to see old friend and new friend and friends from far and near to be here. So today is a sharing and today is an enjoy day. So thank you for everybody.
I'm waiting for Mr. Wang, but before he can, but he should be here in a minute anyway. I would like to lead you, as an organizer for this event. And every year, our artists give me a challenge, and then I have to compose something for them. So I believe that some of you had the flyer here, right? And the flyer, and I sent out the invitation to everyone. So as you can see, and we walk you to visit our artists. Okay, how you're going to enjoy all the artwork today. And if we start from here, Mr. Wang's art, this is one, okay? This is one, and I wrote a poem for that. I say, visit the city, tour the city, and visit the artist. Okay, and for the first one with the green shallow makes up a coastal city, because this along the coaster, and so there's the green shallow map of coastal city. And then the next one is the Aurora. Shines it like a lamp of fire. Okay, and then the monstrous wave swallow the creek of Rocky, and then the doggy, actually her name is FeFe. It's right there. Okay? FeFe, okay. Stare at this amazing scenery. So this time I hold my pen. It's not me, the artist. Hold the pen and to draw this eternity. And then at this moment, the eternity, there's a full moon and evergreen bamboo. Bring me. No, that's the painting next room. Okay. And the full moon and evergreen bamboo bring me in peace. And then at this special moment and drop in a friend of intimacy, and then sing along all night with the karaoke. So that's the poem. You have it over there. That's the one. If you have time, you can enjoy it. That's how I compose all the 6 artists' artwork together and to become a poem. And and you can see. And before we celebrate our cake, as you know, that art, we try to promote it for the past 12 years. And for the culture, artist is one of the culture. And here we had the painting, we had the photography, we had the calligraphy, and also we add the poem here. And I actually have a challenge to all the artists. We are missing something here. What we are missing? In the past so many years, I really missing something. In the culture, we are missing for their clothes. So maybe next year it's a challenge to them. If we can, next year we can dress up. Something can reflect the Taiwanese culture. Because I've been in the community for so many years. I even proposed to the the delegate from Taiwan, even the cultural commissioner, whoever, and no one really worked on it. So I hope we can start from here. And before, and also I forgot to, the culture, the food is also very important for the culture. And Monica had to prepare for us every year. We had the cake, wonderful cake. We like it. And the last one, I will show you one more poem. That's the because everyone always like to describe something reflecting their moon to the full moon. And it happened that Helen had a wonderful picture this year with the full moon here. This is the one. So it gave me some thought. Maybe you all remember that Di Bai has one poem, right? The moonlight on the show. The moonlight show on the bedroom floor. I thought it's the forest cover on the ground. Okay, and then while I raised my head to watch the full moon and looking down, I'm missing my hometown. That's ancient description of the full moon. Okay, now I have my full moon over there. You can watch it. And my full moon is like this. Okay, I say full moon. Okay, full arm hang up there high. My hometown is far away 1,000 miles. The cloud, okay, the cloud, not the cloud, the cloud, okay. The cloud connecting me online. At this special time, I do miss you, or I do miss my family at this special time. So that's my new version of the full moon. So anyway, I hope you all will enjoy this opening, and then let's move to the other room, have the ceremony for the cutting cake, and then we open to everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
再去签那个，咱这摆去报水费黑嘛，加水费5千块。这个你错了。多少东西啊？
有那个魂在那里，
没有魂都不行这样。
看起来我好像真的在唱一样，在那边唱。
认真在唱。
然后他除非他有好的可以画，就像相片好的画，你知道吗？他说没有好的相片就当然不好。那个我也想过，就是人的，可是我没想过是狗。可以有狗的猫的话，他们的看就是看。你要
去当兵无所谓了，很多人都是这个。对。虽然就是说，你如果他是这个美国
明年可能还不太会开，搞不好后年就一堆都是 animal。这个是 George 的，这是 John 的，这是 Mary 的。我以后画展是那些 pet 的主人来了。
我们 personalize。
OK， keep in mind。你们是第一个，
第一个，我们应该有
自己有 own dog。呀，你们现在看 consider 要什么样的画？
这个的很 angle。
对，脸不要太平的，然后对。它毛要漂亮的，要有点毛的。
还要起武器耶，靠起。
不要。
那个地方主角是在你在庆，但是要体力像静脉要
还是自己
2个就可以，就像我俩，欺负2个人。
这个看就好了，因为
比较自由，比较自由就想做什么做什么这样。今天有力气要走一点，走一点，今天想我最喜欢这一张跟那一张。
跟哪一张？跟哪一张？
那一张不是那个得到的生命交替那一张。我觉得这张很棒。因为我觉得这个是如果到上面的枫叶就太精致了，因为每一个人照都是那样子，可是你从湖里面 create 的一个 imagination， 就是说你从倒影看，你的 imagine 说上面在干什么，那些上面的景，而是你在这里面，我就觉得这个才是一个意境。
哦，那挺高分析。
就是。